Dan, what is the biggest problem you're having out there with your listings?
Well, primarily it's overpriced listings at this point. With the flood of foreclosures on the market, to be able to compete with those prices, the lower discounted prices of the foreclosures, most of the clients these days, or most of the sellers these days, need to realize that it's really inevitable that the prices are going to be lower. Their expectations and pricing has to lower in order to get their home sold. I'm finding that there's a lot of reluctance in the people that I'm working with to lower their prices. Lack of motivation, I think, just because they're stunned by the market, but inevitably if they intend on selling their property, they are going to have to incrementally lower the price until they hit a point where the market's willing to demonstrate that that the buyers will place an offer on the house. It's just something that they're going to have to come to terms with in order to get the property sold, whether that's commercial or residential.
All right, thank you, Dan.